Imagine spending your entire weekend wrestling with overgrown hedges, only to end up with sore arms, uneven cuts, and a yard that still looks like a jungle. The truth is, the right hedge trimmer can turn hours of exhausting yard work into minutes of satisfying, effortless trimming. Today, I'm counting down the 5 best hedge trimmers of the year that will transform your landscaping game forever. Whether you're a professional landscaper or just someone who wants their front yard to be the envy of the neighborhood, I've tested these machines thoroughly so you don't have to. Stick around until the end because number 5 might just be the perfect balance of power and price you've been searching for. All the buy links for these incredible trimmers are waiting for you in the description below. If this video helps you tame your jungle, hit that like button, share it with your fellow garden warriors, and subscribe so you never miss our next review. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1, we have the Husqvarna Hedge Master 320 IHD60, hands down the best overall hedge trimmer you can buy right now. When I fire up any Husqvarna power tool, whether it's an electric chainsaw, string trimmer, or hedge trimmer, I expect a certain level of performance and quality, so I had high expectations for this machine. Let me tell you, it did not disappoint. Similar to their powerful chainsaws, this hedge trimmer delivers impressive power and performance but doesn't make you feel like you're operating heavy machinery. It transfers very little vibration to the operator and produces minimal noise at just 67 decibels. When I first cranked it up, I honestly assumed it would be a lighter, less powerful machine. Well, you know what they say about assumptions. At 3,800 cuts per minute with a set of high-quality blades, this trimmer carved through my rose bushes easily, gliding through even thicker branches with almost no effort. It also features a boost mode that speeds up the cutting mechanism even further, though it does drain the battery faster. What really sets this trimmer apart are its unique features that make life easier for veteran trimmers. Where many hedge trimmers use a rotatable handle for increased maneuverability, the 320 IHD60 has a handle with 3 separate grips, each with its own trigger. Moving on to number 2, we have the Worx Nitro 40V 24-inch electric hedge trimmer, our pick for best value. This trimmer is surprisingly powerful for an affordable cordless option. Using two 20-volt batteries, it produces cutting speeds of up to 3,400 strokes per minute. Now, that doesn't match the fastest trimmers on our list, but it isn't far behind either. I noticed only a small difference between its performance pruning my hedges and what I got from trimmers that cost over $100 more. That said, when the going got tough and I faced thicker stems on my rose bushes, the Worx did struggle to keep up a bit. Still, I was genuinely impressed with the overall job given its price point. The build quality does leave something to be desired, the plastic frame feels a bit thin, and it lacks rubberized grips, which would have been nice for comfort during extended use. Number 3 brings us to the Ego Power Plus 26-inch electric hedge trimmer, which delivers the best cutting power you'll find in this category. The Ego keeps with the brand's tradition of producing powerful cordless electric yard tools, and this model outmuscled the competition in my tests. With a 26-inch cutting bar and a powerful 56-volt motor, it has the capability to slice through stems up to 1.2 inches in diameter. That added length and cutting capacity was particularly helpful when I went to tame a 6-foot-tall bush that was creeping onto the front walk of my house. The HT2601 had no problem slicing through both thin outer stems and thick interior branches, making quick work of what I thought would be a grueling task. Just remember that with more power comes more weight. This Ego weighs nearly 10 pounds, which starts to feel heavier than you'd expect after a full day of yard work. The weight is well balanced, but I certainly felt it in my arms on test day, so this is something to keep in mind if you have a large property to maintain. Coming in at number 4, we have the Worx 20V PowerShare Cordless Shrubbery Trimmer, our pick for the best mini trimmer on the market. If you only have smaller ornamental shrubs to trim, then consider scaling down to this handheld powerhouse. This 8-inch mini trimmer can cut through stems up to 5/16 of an inch, with enough power to shave small bushes effectively and precisely. I trimmed a short hedge bordering my front walk with it, and while the job certainly took longer than it would have with a full-size hedge trimmer, it was more than capable of handling the foliage with impressive precision. This small tool only weighs 2.4 pounds including the battery, which made it incredibly easy to sculpt smaller bushes and reach into tight spots that would have been tricky to cut evenly with something larger and bulkier. Finally, at number 5, we have the Greenworks Pro Ultrapower 60V 26-inch electric hedge trimmer, our pick for the best option for large jobs. This trimmer offers strong cutting performance at a fairly affordable price, making it a compelling choice for homeowners with extensive landscaping needs. It runs at a slower speed than any of the other hedge trimmers I tested, delivering just 3,200 cuts per minute. However, what it lacks in speed, it more than makes up for with raw power. Its 60-volt motor and battery makes it capable of cutting through branches up to 1.1 inches thick, and I was genuinely impressed with how easily it chewed through the woodier branches on the large bush that dominates my front yard. Similar to other cordless hedge trimmers we tested, the Greenworks Pro has a rotatable handle with a release you can access without taking your hand off the trigger. Unlike the Worx and the Ego, however, the Greenworks handle only rotates to 3 positions, which is a bit limiting. With fewer positions, I found myself contorting my body to make even cuts around my larger bushes, which wasn't the most comfortable experience. So there you have it, the 5 best hedge trimmers of the year, carefully tested and ranked to help you achieve the yard of your dreams. Whether you're tackling massive overgrown hedges or just shaping delicate ornamental shrubs, there's a perfect tool here for every situation and every budget. Remember, the right hedge trimmer isn't just about power, it's about comfort, precision, and making your outdoor work feel less like a chore and more like a pleasure. All the buy links for these incredible trimmers are waiting for you in the description below, so check them out and find your perfect match. If this video helped you make a decision, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and landscaping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trimming!